Hi guys, this is Ray and welcome back to another awesome video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, we're going to learn how to upload a recipe onto RecipeBook app. So the first thing you need to do is open up RecipeBook app on your phone. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, do make sure you do, and do make sure to check out our other video tutorials to learn more on how to do so. So once you've opened up the app, you'll be able to see the upload button on the bottom menu panel. Simply click on that and it'll take you to the recipe name page where you can insert or type in the name of your recipe. So today I'm going to be uploading my favorite raspberry ice cream recipe. And once you've done that, all you have to do is then click on the next button right there. Once you've done that, it'll ask you to insert a YouTube URL. So if you've got a YouTube video related to your recipe, all you got to do is paste in the URL right there. Otherwise, just add an image from your gallery. So I'm going to go to my gallery and I'm going to upload this yummy raspberry ice cream picture that I have. Once you've done that, just click on the next button and then select a category. So depending on your recipe, you can select the vegetarian, non-vegetarian or vegan category. Today I'm going to go in with the vegetarian category, and then just type in the servings count. So my recipe serves 6 people and takes around 20 minutes to prepare and 6 hours to make. So just change that minutes to hours and then click on the next button right there. Once you've done that, you need to enter in the ingredients. Do be sure to enter in the correct amount of ingredients. So I'm going to type in 1 cup milk and 1 cup sugar. So be sure to add in the correct amount of ingredients. Alright, and of course 1 cup of raspberries. So just type in your ingredients, and once you're done there, you can click the next button, and that will take you to the directions where you want to add in all of the easy directions so that your viewers can understand. So just mix the milk and sugar in a pan. And then you click on the add button and you can see that there's an option to add in a picture. So if you've got a picture related to these directions, just add that picture right there. And once you're done, just click on the next button to have a preview of your recipe. So if you're happy with the preview of how your recipe looks like, then just click on the tick mark. Otherwise, you can always go back to edit it. So now that you've clicked on the tick mark, it'll ask you whether or not you'd like to add this recipe to a live contest. So at the moment, we've got the quick bites contest that's going on, and if you think that this recipe can be added to this particular contest, all you got to do is click on the contest. And like that, you have just uploaded your own recipe onto RecipeBook app, and all of your notifications regarding the recipe will come right into the notifications box right there. So do be sure to check that out. And if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.